Hey everybody, Kevin at Woodcraft here with our Wood River Deluxe Drill Press Fence. Now this fence is designed as an upgrade to our Wood River drill press table, which is sold separately, but it can also be used standalone on other drill press tables. The fence is a 24-inch aluminum extrusion with T-track on top to mount the included flip stop or other accessories. The 3/4 inch faces are adjustable for use with a drum sander and to minimize tear out for off-edge drilling. It has a nice wide opening for chuck clearance and for large diameter drill bits, and it has a built-in dust port that will fit a normal shop vac hose. To check one of these out for yourself, visit your local Woodcraft store or head online to woodcraft.com.